First we will make the Kadhai Masala. For the Kadhai Masala we will need some coriander, black pepper, fennel or sauf, cumin or jeera and some red chilies. Roast them in a pan in low heat until it is fragrant, then make the powder of it, and here is the Kadhai Masala done. In a pan add some butter and oil, cumin, let it splutter, and add the onion paste. When the onion is brown, add the ginger garlic paste, some tomato paste, add the salt as per taste. Cook until it leaves the oil. Add the masalas, which is red chili powder, haldi, Amchoor, Kadhai Masala, coriander or dhania powder, little bit of kasori methi. Cook for a few minutes. In another pan add some oil, capsicum and onion. Toss it for a few times. And add the paneer and the Kadhai Masala with it so that the masala is coated well with paneer. Toss for a few minutes and add it to the tomato and onion gravy. Mix it, add little bit of water as you need. Cook for a minute. At the last add little bit of Garam Masala. You can skip it also. Here is the simple and easy Kadhai Paneer done. Now serve it. For the garnishing you can add some coriander leaves. If you want the ingredients list and their measurements, they are given in the description box down below. So thanks for watching. Please like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking, and do watch my other videos which are given here.